Good morning, good morning, good morning. This is Joe from A Spot of Joe vlog. So I'm going to update you. Number one, I'm going to share a bit of information about success and prioritization. Number two, and then I'm going to let you go. Number three. So number one is updating on you on my progress. So I realized that my finances were not in shape and that I need to take responsibility for it. And that's what I'm doing right now. Was gonna travel, but it's not on in the table for the time being. So one of the things I realized about success is to ruthlessly prioritize. That's a lot of people say, and you don't really know you have to do it until you have to do it. So, travel will be nice and fun, but prioritizing fun when it's a specific when there's a problem in your life is a problem. Because when you have the clarity of what you need to do, it's easy to get it done. You're like, oh, well, I need to make $100 today. Okay, well, how can I make $100? Apply to 30 graphic design positions and get one. That's an easy way to do it, So that will make sure that you get you get what you need, oh goodness, you prioritizing that and having clarity over what you need to do. On the other hand, if you're conflicted, if you're like, well, I want to have fun, but I also want to make money, you might not be able to get either unless you find a way to do both at the same time, which for me, graphic design is fun for me. So yeah, but my priority is making money. So that's a little bit about success. And then also being honest enough with yourself that you can make the hard decisions. Like for me, I was like, oh, if I don't travel, like I'm gonna lose people's trust because I promised so much I was gonna do it. And yeah, I might lose people's trust. I also might gain a lot of people's respect, but that's really not the right criteria, is what other people will think of me. I was still a bit nervous about that though. And sure, it makes some sense to be nervous about that. But really, in the end, it doesn't matter because I need to look after my own finances, and the superpower that I took is responsibility. That's another thing that I learned, is that taking responsibility is a superpower. It helps you. You can't really get anything done if you don't take responsibility for getting it done in the first place. So that's my wisdom for the day. Excuse me. I'm packing up, leaving my cousin's place, going to my next place. So you'll see me at another place later tomorrow. Peace. DIY video comes out today, and I hope that you enjoy that. It's going to be part 2 of the video I did yesterday. Peace.